Hello and welcome. We are going to do some daily dose of the internet. And the first video that we're going to react to is allergic reaction sent him to another planet.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This guy had an allergic reaction and they had to use an EpiPen.
Oh. It went. Good night.
Don't worry, he was fine, and he was taken to a hospital just to be safe. This company wanted to prove how effective and safe their bulletproof windows are.
About to get shot at with a 50 cal.
Cameron ready.
No!
Ready?
Shooter ready.
Let's
No! Is this guy crazy?
do it.
3, 2, 1.
What?
Clear.
Taco for dog. Are you serious?
The dog didn't want the taco. Oh, I don't think he's very happy.
This person accidentally dropped their phone into alligator-infested waters.
Oh, hell no. Oh, say goodbye to your phone. Does that taste nice? No way he eats it. Look at all those chickens!
I know about the blue screen of death, but I've never heard of the black screen of death.
Hey, yo. Okay, that's creepy. No, that's creepy. Haha.
I
You're
guess
hungry.
this is what the last day of school looks like in some places.
Oh, boy, yeah.
I think this thing just dropped the hardest beat of 2024.
Wait, that actually went hard.
About a week ago,
What?
these orcas were trapped
Oh,
and
no.
surrounded by ice off the coast of Japan. They had to keep moving to prevent the ice from freezing. The good news is that they were only trapped for a few hours as the ice eventually shifted, allowing them to swim to open waters.
Okay, that's good.
Back. Give me it back. Give me it back. Give me it back. Give me my shoe back.
Cheeky dog. Oh!
That's
No!
the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see
Scrolling
you
on
guys again
TikTok.
very, very soon. Later.
That's what TikTok brain does to you. Alright, next video we got man collapses after getting a tattoo.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. This guy got a tattoo and immediately passed out.
Do you have an iPhone?
Good catch.
Luckily, the artist was able to catch him before he got hurt.
That was cute.
Midas. Hey. Holy
Oh my.
Blizzard. Okay.
With the technology behind the Apple Vision Pro, people are learning that they can now poop anywhere in the universe.
Yeah, that's insane. No. How would you be able to concentrate the poop like this? No, not concentrate, not the right word. How would you be able to relax is the word I'm looking for. Poop. Why you got all this going on?
This guy wanted to destroy this giant snowman.
Go tackle that shit, Sam.
Hey, yo.
Here's a cool device that allows you to properly transport your sauces. You can easily pick up your spilled honey or ketchup and move it somewhere else.
What? That does not look real.
Come on!
Oh, that's a good boy.
She wanted to get this airport worker's phone number before taking off. Here's some of the traps American soldiers had to deal with when walking through the jungle during the Vietnam War.
The next one is what we call roller. If you notice more clearly, you will see there's gonna be a hook, like a hook on the spike.
Brutal. What's going on here?
This cat discovered a new
Phone went flying. Was that a phone? Now it's the next one. The phone went flying.
This cat discovered a new way to run faster.
Yeah.
These people were wearing
That's cool.
t-shirts of their favorite band without realizing that they were right behind them.
I'm her mom. It's fine.
One of my subscribers made a
Why, that's hilarious.
Airball. I'm her mom. It's fine.
One of my subscribers made a Super Mario obstacle course for their cat.
Oh,
That
yeah,
is the end
that's
of this
cool.
Video. We hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
And with that, we're on the last and final bit video. Birds are fighting back.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Oh, die Cella is helemaal hard geworden.
No?
Here, you
Damn, that's hard.
So this made me uncomfortable.
What did I just listen to? What in the world did I just listen to? I was not expecting this. The dog just did a
She wanted to
somersault
buy
and started.
something, but this bird had other ideas.
Oh! That bird is. I need a bird like that to train that. I need to train a bird like that to bring me back money. I'll be a millionaire. Well, this cat this cat likes water. Yo, straight through the legs.
This guy in New York City was seen controlling pigeons.
What? No, that's not real, is it? Do not try this. Oh, that is crazy. That's hard to do on land, let alone roller skates. Not roller skate, ice skates.
This dog knows how to strategically eat this without eating the medicine.
That wouldn't be the case with my dog. My dog would swallow that all. He loves food.
So what would you do in this situation?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, don't eat sheep.
I just found out that there are iridescent plants that change colors depending on the angle of the light.
Whoa. That's cool. I want one.
This guy managed to perfectly hit a police car.
Cuz! Oh, hit the cop car! First responder!
She wanted to see if she could
Nice.
get her cat to turn off the light.
Yeah, cats love lasers.
Oh, let's go!
Nice. Yo.
That is the end of this video, or we hope you enjoyed.
Oh, look at the happy dog.
And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Right, shout out to Daily Dose for making them videos, man. I'm addicted to them videos. I can't stop watching. So good, so good.